With the Easter weekend coming up, I thought let's have a look at the weather for the next 5 days in some of the main cities across the country. And we can see on Good Friday, extremely hot conditions expected in the city of Cape Town with 30 the afternoon here, but the opposite true over the central and northeastern regions, Pretoria reaching a high of only 17 with cloudy conditions and some light showers. Then on Sunday and into early next week, windy conditions expected along the southwestern coast, with a cut of low pressure system developing along the western coast, bringing scattered showers and thunderstorms to the western regions of the country, with a few isolated showers and thunderstorms also likely around Bloemfontein, but sunny skies returning to the northeastern regions of the country and temperatures slowly but surely recovering, with 24 on Monday in Pretoria and Durban. Now let's have a look at the weather this Thursday across the country. On Thursday morning, foggy conditions expected behind that cut of low pressure system over the southern regions of the country. A few foggy patches also possible over the central and eastern regions, but a cold morning with minimum temperatures only in the single digits over the central interior. Then light showers still possible along the eastern coastline due to this onshore flow of air behind the cut of low pressure system. Into the afternoon, scattered showers and thunderstorms likely, stretching here over parts of northwest as well as Limpopo, Gauteng and the Highveld. Isolated showers and thunderstorms likely for the surrounding regions, and then we can see this light rain possible over parts of the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal. Taking a look at your solar radiation, a poor PV harvest expected over parts of the Eastern Cape, KwaZulu-Natal and especially in parts of Limpopo and Mpumalanga, but a good PV harvest in the west where it will be extremely hot on Thursday afternoon due to bergwind conditions along the western coast. We can see those northeasterly to easterly winds blowing fresh here over the western coast, causing those bergwind conditions, with the Weather Service also warning against runaway fires, so please be careful in those regions. Easterly winds blowing fresh along the southern coast of the Western Cape, and then a fresh southwesterly wind blowing along the coast of KwaZulu-Natal, and an icy cold southerly wind blowing in the low veld of Limpopo and Mpumalanga. But in the Western Cape, those bergwind conditions warming up the western coast, 33 the afternoon in Vredendal, 27 in Cape Town with sunny skies and light winds, so it will be quite a lovely day outside. Foggy conditions at first over the interior of the Western Cape, later those easterly winds blowing fresh along the southern coastline, temperatures here only in the lower 20s expected. A foggy start to your Thursday over the interior of the Eastern Cape with cold conditions at first, minimum temperatures in the single digits, especially around the escarpment areas, later remaining quite cool to cold with isolated light showers still possible, 21 in East London and Port St John's. A few foggy patches at first in KwaZulu-Natal, later isolated light showers still possible, and a southwesterly wind blowing fresh at times over the coastal regions of KwaZulu-Natal. A few foggy patches at first over the Highveld, later quite chilly with maximum temperatures below 20 degrees Celsius over parts of the Highveld. Isolated light showers possible around the escarpment, and then into the afternoon we're expecting scattered showers and thunderstorms over the northern regions of the Highveld, with an icy cold southerly wind blowing in the low veld of Mpumalanga and Limpopo. A cloudy day in store for Limpopo with light showers possible over the central regions as well as the eastern escarpment, scattered showers and thunderstorms possible over the Bushveld with 26 afternoon in Thabazimbi and Balabala. A cold morning at first over the southern regions of northwest, later isolated to scattered showers and thunderstorms possible over the extreme northeastern regions. And then in the Northern Cape, bergwind conditions quickly warming up the western coast. The Weather Service is warning against runaway fires, 31 the afternoon in Alexander Bay, but a cold morning over the southern regions only for the morning in Sutherland, later warming up over the northern regions with 28 the afternoon in Uppington. Foggy at first over the eastern regions of the Free State with a cold morning, minimum temperatures only around 5 degrees Celsius, later remaining quite chilly but sunny with temperatures below 20 degrees Celsius in Bethlehem, Vicksburg and Harrismith. And then in Gauteng, a chilly afternoon, temperatures only in the lower 20s, partly cloudy skies expected in Johannesburg, a few isolated light showers possible in Pretoria, but becoming scattered over the extreme northern regions of Gauteng. Then on Good Friday, we can see those extremely hot conditions in the west, 37 the afternoon in Vredendal, 30 in Cape Town, but a cold and cloudy day in store over the central and northeastern regions, Pretoria and Johannesburg reaching highs of only around 16 degrees Celsius. Then on Saturday, we are expecting warmer conditions over the northeastern regions, temperatures now around 20 degrees Celsius, a bit cooler now around the city of Cape Town, but bergwind conditions now warming up the southern coastline, temperatures here in the upper 20s, and a windy afternoon along the eastern coast. Well, that's all from me. Enjoy your Thursday, and remember, no matter the weather, we're in this together.